Hello, everyone. My name is Ian Tabling, and I have decided to talk about the exciting world of the cable industry. I work for Cable One here in Prescott, Arizona, and I just wanted to give you all an overview of kind of how the system works. And um, let me get started right now. So, essentially, there's quite a bit of infrastructure involved with the cable world. It all kind of starts at what we call the head end, which here it's not a real big building, but it has our warehouse and everything else. But when you go in there, it's basically just looks like a bunch of servers with cords running everywhere. And what happens is, for TV anyway, the signal comes in on like probably 10-foot satellite dishes, and we probably have, I don't know, 8 or 9 of those sitting outside. And they come in through the satellite dish from the broadcast feed, go into the head end, and then it's fed uh, out into the field. From the head end, everything is uh, basically fiber up into a node, and it's a fiber optic line, and it goes out into a node. Anywhere that there's cable run, there's a node. You probably, if you have cable in your area, you have a node in your neighborhood, and you didn't even know it. And then from the node, a a lot of the time a large coax line or coaxial line, which is called feeder cable, is used to run the signal from the node out to multiple taps. And then each tap actually services anywhere from 2 up to 16 homes. In our system, most of them are about 4 homes. We do have some that service about 8 homes. And then on top of that, now the newer way to do it is taking that fiber optic line and replacing the coax line and running fiber basically all the way into the home. So how that works is there is a fiber optic line that runs from the node to a fiber optic tap instead of a coax tap, and then another, what's called a drop, runs from the fiber optic tap to the home. It's basically really similar to coax. It's using a different medium to carry the signal. We also handle phone and internet, and so those are two-way communications, where a lot of the TV is one way, you're just sending TV out. There are some cable boxes that do have two-way communication back with the head end. Um, so as far as the two-way communication, then you have what's called downstream, which is everything going to your home, and then upstream, which is everything that's coming from your computer or your phone back to the head end. And when you send something out upstream over a cable line, it's got to come back to the head end, and then depending on what the signal is, it's distributed to another server, or if it's phone, it's actually distributed out onto the telephone network, and then that's how you can make phone calls to people across the country or across the world. Um, so yeah, really the big thing right now is the shift to the fiber optic to the home, mostly because it can carry a lot more signal way more efficiently. It is extremely expensive compared to coax. I don't even know the numbers between the two, but I do know it's quite a bit more expensive. Um, and I know there's probably some people out there that have had negative experiences with the cable industry, or there's lots of people that say, "Oh, cut the cord" or whatever. And I understand. TV's kind of gonna go away probably as far as cable industry goes, but we're, for the most part, for the near future, we're going to be the main internet service provider. Most people that want high-speed internet are going to use a cable provider, and that's mostly because we can provide the fastest speeds most reliably versus like satellite internet or any other option that you might have out there. So, and I think I've probably just about talked enough to where you're probably about to fall asleep thinking about cable networks and coax. So, everyone, thank you for watching and take care. Bye.